Hey guys, today I have here a Ford Ranger 2.0 BiTurbo. Today I'm gonna do a light tuning package for this one. The package include K&N Air Filter, a Catless Downpipe, and finally we will put on the RaceChip GTS. That one helped to increase the horsepower because this ECU hasn't been able to crack yet, so the only solution is to use chip tuning with it. Before we put on all the stuff, we will run the dyno to see how much it's got at will from the stock car, and then we'll put all the stuff on and then run the dyno again to see how much horsepower again from that packet. Okay, let's do it, guys. Okay guys, so all set. Engines is warm up. We're gonna run the dyno test with the stock car now. Okay, so this is the original downpipe that we removed from the car. The exhaust stream will go through the catalytic converter, then it's go straight back to the end. So there will be a lot of restriction in this part, especially when the car is old. You will have a lot of smoke clog up in here, so prevent the car to boost up quickly. So in order to maximize the benefit of the tuning package, we recommend to use the Catless Downpipe, which has no catalytic converter at all. So exhaust will flow out faster, turbo will spin faster. Furthermore, this pipe is 76mm diameter, and the original one is only 60, so it's a whole lot of restriction in this part to the end, and we changed it with a bigger one, improve the flow efficiency, improve the boost response. Okay, so now we put it on the car. Okay, so everything was installed. This is the RaceChip GTS. Right here we have the K&N Air Filter, and together with the Catless Downpipe. Right, all set. So now I'm gonna start up the engines, warm it up, and then run the dyno again. Okay guys, so this is the result at the end of the day. After we install all the tuning stuff to the car. Look here, stock is got like 160 wheel horsepower, and after we put all the stuff in, it's got 187, so roughly about 27 wheel horsepower again. And in terms of torque, stock is 350, and after we put all the stuff in, it's 454, so it's 104 Newton meter gain at wheel. And the torque comes pretty early, 1000 RPM earlier than stock, so this definitely will bring a lot of fun when driving it. Okay, so yeah, because of the Ford Ranger BiTurbo, at the moment we have no remapping solution for it yet. So to increase the horsepower, this is the only way to work on it. If later on, if we have any solutions on remap, I will try that out and post it up on my channel for you guys to have a look. Okay, thank you guys. Please don't forget to hit likes and subscribe to Passio channel for more video clip on car tuning. See you soon.